Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my mobile robot discovery and partly also my mobile robot Niekerk 2. And usually I don't do that, but in this case I have a problem which I want to test. If you remember the last video of this one, Niekerk 2, then you recall that I have connection problems and I want to check if hardware or software and how to best test it and to exchange things. So that's one thing. Up next is then checking if color recognition or separation actually with the camera and the rest actually works. Because yes, red does work, but green and yellow still have malfunctioning. And in order to test everything, well, let's go to screencast and see whatever happens. Okay, so the purpose of this first part is obviously see whatever is wrong. So here I am logged into the riding robot, and here it says no way to for access to the walking robot. And with the software I can easily check that. I also did this for the short, but now you will see it from a different perspective if you already watched the short. So yeah, the LEDs for the motor, the propeller, and the lamp right here. So that is the little action that proves that this works. And this is not running the software right now here. For that I would have to do run the Discovery Python script, but it shows enough. So the big question is now what to do with the other one. Last time for the special video dedicated to the Niekerk 2, I've tried Bluetooth, I've tried Wi-Fi, obviously I've tried USB, but none of that works. So now if you have a broken hardware interface, it won't work. But if you have correct hardware interface but broken software, it doesn't work either. So the question is, what is what? So what I should have thought of before, I swap the cards, the SD cards, on which the firmware community, the community firmware is installed. I'm just booting them, not running the software because the software is entirely different, obviously because they are different robots, so I can't do that. Well, I can, but with results that are not very good, and then see whatever happens. So I'm going to power down, swap the cards, and see. With one controller test, or more appropriate SD card test, with a very clear result, which you have to see in the full version, the full video, and unpredictable behavior of the tests, I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and then this is going to be continued. For my supporters, sponsors, thank you for supporting. If you like to support and are not supported yet, or do not support yet, you can do so via Patreon, via Ko-fi and via PayPal. Please see in the description under the video. And If you like what you see, to be continued. Till next time, whenever, in a few weeks. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.